Style changes, style evolves. There comes a time when you look at your clothes and think, I need to build a new wardrobe from the scratch. I did, and in this video, I suggest pieces that will form the foundation to build on. But before then, let me show you something quickly. This is me from a long time ago. Let's not focus on trivial matters such as the lack of smile. Pay attention to the super baggy denim pants and the huge belt buckle. Sometimes I wonder why friends and family allowed me to leave the house like this, but then again, I guess that's how the world dressed back then. As style evolved, so did mine. In this video, we talk about casual and formal pieces that will form the foundation for you to build your wardrobe on. Let's look at formal first. First, you need a suit. Your first one can be black, gray, or navy blue. I went for an Admiral blue one here from J. Crew. Then you need a white shirt. This can be Oxford or poplin. You need two shoes for your formal outfits. One brown, one black, and this can be in leather or suede. I have a personal preference for suede because the texture complements other fabrics better than leather. Suede, however, has its cons. Whereas you can easily wipe off a water stain off leather, suede would require special attention. It's generally delicate, and so you need to be careful when you have one on. Your formal shoes can be lace up or monk strap. Again, I prefer monk strap because I believe that it boosts the elegance of your look. It adds to the sophistication, and so they're my go-to. I guess this is the time to mention that if you're getting a black and a brown shoe, then you should probably invest in a black and brown belt. White shirts are very versatile. You can pair that with your navy blue trousers and you have yourself a smart casual look. You can pull this off when you're going out just to see friends, nothing serious. For a beginner, it's probably a good idea to pair the brown belt with a brown shoe and a black belt with a black shoe. In this outfit, you're looking at the black belt and shoe. And now the brown belt matching the brown shoe. For a formal outfit, you need a tie. And if you've got a navy blue suit, then I recommend a red or burgundy tie, as this creates a very good contrast with navy blue. Also, the length of the tie is quite crucial. It cannot be too short or too long. It has to sit just on top of the belt. Put a suit jacket on and you're ready to go, but I recommend investing in some accessories. Before this video is over, I'll put a link above for 5 must-have accessories for the discerning gentleman. Let's consider 2 accessories for now, a tie pin and a pocket square. And for your tie pin or tie bar, I recommend wearing it between the 3rd and the 4th button of your shirt. Don't wear it too high or too low, just between the 3rd and the 4th button. It looks like something is missing. Pocket square. Here you have your linen and your silk. I prefer linen because it maintains its shape all day in your pocket without slipping or sliding down. Now you're ready to go. Formal look complete. And now let's talk casual outfit. To start, you need at least the black denim pants. Fit must be fitted or tapered because in style, fit is king, fit is vital. Then you need 2 solid white and black t-shirts. No prints, no funny designs. For your casual looks, I recommend 2 shoes. 1 black Chelsea boot and a white pair of sneakers. Again, for your boots, I always recommend suede. A white pair of sneakers is quite essential to your casual look or outfit, as you can go for a low top or a high top. In this video, I use a high top, and I recommend you consider the Adidas and Smith, Nike Air Force Ones or Common Projects. And for outerwears, I recommend at least a blazer and a denim jacket. Here I have on a blue Baglioli jacket. And with just your white and black t-shirts, the black denim pants, black Chelsea boots and white pair of sneakers, a blazer and a denim jacket as your foundation, there are so many looks that you can pull off by mixing and matching these. This outfit comprises of the black denim pants and Chelsea boots contrasted with a white t-shirt, blue blazer, and a pocket square from the formal look, and voila, you're ready for a night out. Invest in a blue or black denim jacket. For this look, I'm going for a blue one. Put a black t-shirt on, black denim pants, white sneakers, the blue denim jacket, and voila, another outfit. When building your wardrobe, I recommend that you do not chase trends. Don't be a hype beast. You might pick up items now, then realize 6-8 months down the line that they're no longer in style. You have items in your wardrobe that you cannot sort of wear. Stick with the basics and grow from there. Oops. Check out this video of 5 must-have accessories for a discerning gentleman. I'll see you there. 阿边走。